Hi, this is Dr. Subhatra. In this session, I am going to discuss about the high performance concrete. It is a concrete with a certain characteristics which we are developing to suit a particular application and the environment. So that since it is designed for a particular application, it will give excellent performance in the structure in which it can be placed. Uh, what is the difference between high strength concrete and high performance concrete? Always a high strength concrete is a high performance concrete, but a high performance concrete need not always be a high strength concrete. We should be clear in that. So the CERP, Civil Engineering Research Foundation, has explained that the following properties has to be enhanced for to develop a high performance concrete, that is ease of placement, long term mechanical property, early age, strength, toughness, etc. What are the main ingredients you need for manufacturing the HPZ? Cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water, as like our conventional concrete. And other than that, you need the mineral admixtures for as a fine filler or pozzolanic supplementary cementitious material. And other than this, you need chemical admixtures also, that is super plasticizer, retarder, air entraining agents you need. With all these ingredients, you will be able to make a high performance concrete. It will have a better durability performance. It can be achieved by means of two approaches. First, you can reduce the capillary pore system. It is explained in the diagram. You can either reduce the capillary pore system by using fine filler or good compaction or improved curing, or you can reduce the water cement ratio. By any means, you can reduce the capillary pore. And the second method is by creating chemically active binding sites, that is binding sites for chlorides, which prevents the transport of aggressive ions like chlorides. This is a second most effective method. By means of these two approaches, you will be able to increase the physical resistance so that you will get a durable concrete with the help of supplementary cementitious material like GGBS, fly ash, metacoelin, rice husk, and the blended ash also you can use. The characteristics of high performance concrete are: it has a very low porosity, it is of low permeability, it is highly resistant to chemical attack, it has a high early strength with a low water cement ratio, bleeding is very less, and the plastic shrinkage is also very less. The advantages of HPZ are the speed of construction is higher, durability is good, tensile strength is good, and seismic resistance is also on the higher side with a reduced maintenance cost. The major disadvantages are the initial cost will be higher because you have to use many special constituents, and you have to have a clear check on the quality control. After manufacturing, you have to place it carefully. So during the working phase, you need extra care. These are the disadvantages. Where this HPZ can be applied, you can use it in pavement for the fast track concrete paving technology. In bridges, you can use it for precast pylons, piers, girders. For fabricating, that you can use, and for high-rise building you can use that, and miscellaneous applications like bridge deck, floor slab, pavement, refractories, hydraulic structures, thin shells. You can use in all these places you can use the high performance concrete. Some of the case studies are: this is a bridge across the river Yonne. It has used the French codes. The height width is mentioned. It is a 3-span bridge. It is the first bridge with a 60 MPa strength. Tensile strength is 5.1 MPa. It is completed in the year 1989. High performance concrete is used for this bridge. Petronas Tower, nuclear reactor in France, La Grande Arch in Paris, then Morocco Mosque is built using this high performance concrete. So what I would like to conclude is even though it is an expensive one when you consider the per cubic meter, because of these benefits, you can prefer this HPC. That is the benefits. What I would like to highlight here is it requires very less skill and effort to place the concrete. It look in a better way, and it won't have any defects. It is much more durable. It requires more skill at the batching plant only. So these are the references which I have taken the content. Thank you.